The Carbodies boat ramp has been 20 years in the making. Now that it's here, fishermen and Mandan city leaders are rejoicing. Michael Anholt has more.
After 2 decades of navigating red tape, the $1.6 million Carbodies boat ramp on the Missouri River Natural Area is now open. Cole Higland of Mandan Parks and Recreation said a boat ramp is something Mandan was missing, and several anglers are relieved they no longer have to cross the bridge all the time.
It's exciting. I mean, after 20 plus years of trying to fight for a public boat ramp for the city of Mandan, it feels like we've accomplished. You know, patience is virtue. Obviously, we've been able to be here. Means I've been here a long time trying to get this thing in here, and it's just been a great opportunity for boaters and recreation people to come out here and use it.
Steve Long says this ramp is a great access point for fishing the northern part of the river.
To me, the best fishing from this access point is upriver. If you want to fish south of Bismarck, obviously you'd want to go down to Fox Island or something. There's kind of a gap in here where there's, you know, some places where you can find fish, but there's better places up north.
Long is keeping his minnows alive with fresh river water for current fishing adventures and looks forward to testing the ramp and heading north once the weather warms up and the river rises. In Mandan, I'm Michael Anholt reporting for your news leader.
A 90-foot pedestrian bridge, community amenities, and a public toilet are still under construction. There will not be a fish cleaning station yet, though, because of the cost.